Hello everyone, I'm Riddhi Singh. Welcome you all back to my channel and I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. So this is the look that I will be doing today and it's a pretty evening party makeup look. So my major focus with this look will be on the eyes and I will also be doing the rest of the makeup, but I will run you through it. For those of you who are new, I request you to please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also please hit the bell icon so that you can be notified for the videos that will be coming in future. And without wasting further time, let's get started with the video. To save the time, I have pre-primed my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly, and now taking the Morphe James Charles palette, I will start applying the transition shade which is by the names of Code James in my crease area. Layering it to attain the desired intensity and blending the eyeshadow. Please note that blending is the key, otherwise the color will look like a stripe or a patch of color laid on your eyelids. Starting from outside in, I will next take the shade Spooky, which is a black eyeshadow, and apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid and blend it at the same time. Please pay attention that I am not going beyond my eye shape and I am applying the color in a slant. After being satisfied with this application, I will take the next shade, which is Cola from the same palette. It's a navy blue eyeshadow. I will apply it with my finger. After having applied this, I'll move on with the next eyeshadow, which is Playground from the same palette. Once all the eyeshadows are put in place, I will start blending them with a fluffy blending brush so that all the colors are well merged with each other. Reapplying the black eyeshadow as I had lost the intensity while I was blending it. Then I will again blend the crease area using the same transition shade which I had initially applied. Also will I first define my lower lash line with the transition shade. Then go over with the Spooky eyeshadow to define it and blend it again. For my lower lash line, I will be using the Nykaa Glamorize Kohl pencil in the shade Blue Hex 01 and apply it, thereafter blending it as well. After I am done with this, I will clean my under eye area with a makeup remover so that no residue from the applied eyeshadow is there. Now moving on to the next part, which is where how I got that extremely defined outer corner. I take two pieces of sellotape, remove the extra stickiness of it, and then place it on the outer corners where I want that sharp edge. Before lining my eyes, I will go with the ColourPop Jelly Much eyeshadow in the shade Late Bloomer and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes with my finger. It's a beautiful mauve eyeshadow and with blue shimmer in it, which perfectly complements this kind of an eyeshadow look. It can also be used as a standalone eyeshadow. With applied, I will blend the eyeshadow at the crease, then defining my eyes with the Maybelline High Impact Tattoo Liner. It's a felt tip liner which is easy to apply and I don't have to be really bothered about the corners, and at the same time I want to keep the line thin and as close as possible to the lashes. After completing the liner, I will again take the Spooky eyeshadow and intensify the color at the corners where the eyeliner's wing were created. This will give a very beautiful lifted effect. Next, using the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty by Sugar Cosmetics, I will coat both the upper and lower eyelashes. Since I don't use false lashes, I do 2 to 3 coats of the mascara and now pulling off the tape. See the effect. Moving on to the base, taking the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation in the shade 09 Desert Honey, I will apply it on my pre-moisturized and primed face, blending the foundation in a dabbing motion. I will then apply the concealer, which is by Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 40 Breve. After spreading the concealer a little bit with the brush, I will then blend it with my ring finger on the under eye area as it has the least amount of pressure, then blending the concealer on bridge of my nose, the chin. Taking Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige, I will set my face starting from the under eye area. Then moving on to application of powder blush, which is by K-Play in the shade Strawberry Blush by My Glam. Then contouring my face using the Pose HD Bronzer Duo by My Glam. I will be contouring the hollows of my cheek, my nose, and my lower jaw. After this, highlighting my face, taking the same Morphe palette, I will pick the shade Face and apply it on the high points of my face, which is the cheekbones, a little on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Wanted bold lips to go with this look, so I chose the Maybelline Color Show Intense Lip Crayon in the shade Intense Red. I find it a very comfortable lipstick to wear and at the same time love the color of this lipstick. So with this we come to the end of this video and I hope you all enjoyed the look. Any comments or queries, please do mention in the comment section below. I would love to hear from all of you. And thank you so much for staying tuned. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye. Thank you.